Hey everyone, Daniel here from Twin Bytes with another quick tutorial for you. This time I'm going to show you how to find out if you have Bluetooth on your computer. I'm also going to show you an easy solution to get Bluetooth on your computer if you don't already have it, as well as how to install a Bluetooth device coming up. First off, you might ask, do I even need Bluetooth on my computer? And the quick answer is no. Every device that is available out there has a wireless option available. You might be considering a Bluetooth headset, for example, like this one here. This is a high-end wireless headset, so it doesn't need to be Bluetooth in order to not have cables. I have a link to my Amazon affiliate store in the description below in case you're interested in looking at this particular one here. So how do you know if you have Bluetooth on your computer? There's two different ways of looking at it. The first section on your computer, if you look down in the bottom right under the notifications section, you can click on that little bubble. There's a bunch of things here, and one of them will have the Bluetooth symbol, and it may or may not be lit up. It'll show if it's connected or not, if there's any devices. It'll say if it's on or off. When you click on it, it's on and it's highlighted, and you click again and then it's grayed out like many of the other things here. So this way you'll be able to tell if you have Bluetooth. If you don't see that icon with the symbol in this area of the screen, then you do not have Bluetooth most likely. But let's check another area because maybe it's just disabled or some other issue happening. The other area to check is in the device manager. So you can right click on the start button and go to device manager. That's just one of many ways of getting to it. The first most obvious thing here is there's a category called Bluetooth. So you should see that there. If you expand it, you may see several options in there, but don't worry about it. You can just ignore that. They're just a bunch of protocols and how it works. But the important thing for you is that if you see the Bluetooth category here, then you have it. And if you don't have that category, you may not have Bluetooth. But let's look further. Under network adapters, you may need to expand that to open it. And mine's expanded already just because I have a device that's disabled. But ignoring that, here is a device driver for the network called Bluetooth. So it is there. So that might have a problem for you, which could explain why you may not have the Bluetooth category. But if you do see Bluetooth anywhere in here, then you know you have Bluetooth and you can actually make use of any Bluetooth device. So what if you don't have Bluetooth on your computer? You can easily add a Bluetooth adapter to your computer, such as this one here, that just plugs into a USB port on your computer and provides Bluetooth ability. I got a link to my affiliate store in the description below in case you want to check that out. It will install on Windows automatically, so there's no complicated setup, no disks or downloads required usually. So if you want to know how to install a Bluetooth device, I'm going to show you that now. Through your start button under settings, you go up to devices and then Bluetooth over here, which you may not need to click on because it's the first item in the list, which you can see up here. It says Bluetooth and other devices. So you may have already figured out we want to click on add a Bluetooth device and then choose Bluetooth from here. And now it will start searching for any Bluetooth device that you have near you. And as long as it's turned on and set in discoverable mode, which it says here, then it will show up in the list for you to select and then enter the code so that the codes match between this computer and that device for them to sync up properly. If you're not sure how to set your Bluetooth device into discovery mode, then you need to look up the instructions for that particular device because each Bluetooth device has a specific set of instructions on how to put it into discoverable mode. So a quick Google search will be able to tell you exactly how to do that for your device. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell to be notified every time we come out with a new video, especially when doing premieres or live videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.